What's happening, everybody? It's KnifeLife777 coming to you today with some new scales. I'm sure some of you have seen the video about my custom shop Benchmade Bugout. And I did some modifications to it. I have been waiting online for Rockscale Designs to release another wave of their Bugout Critter scales. So I finally got a pair. I had the Jade G10 scales on this one. From the custom shop. So what I did was I got the Rockscale Design Critter titanium scales. Oh yeah, look at that, how beautiful. And I got the blue anodized titanium Backspacer. It is the Gear Backspacer. And I also got the blue titanium screws from Rockscale Design. They do supply all of these. I will be leaving links in the description. And we have M4 steel. This right here, guys, is my dream Bugout. Look at the milling on these scales. It is so beautiful. Imagine the time it takes to do that. You program the CNC machine to come down and do all these random squiggles. Such a work of art. Good job. So, I just wanted to show this to you guys so you could see what possible options you have to upgrade your Bugout. Oh, hold on. Had to cover up my address. This is what I ordered. I'll be leaving links in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I got a lot of new knives coming, so stay tuned. Here's a quick sneak peek of one I just got. Bada bing, bada boom. And reviews coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, a wonderful rest of your week. And I hope to see you guys come back very soon. Peace out.